In this video, we will select a row in Pandas DataFrame based on a specific criteria. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for selection of rows in Pandas DataFrame. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. This use case requires Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import the Pandas library. This part of the code is to create a data frame using dictionary. And this part of the code is to select rows in data frame matching a column value. Now the same thing happens in these parts of the codes, but with a different column value. Now let's run the code. And you have learned how to select a row in Pandas DataFrame based on a specific criteria.